Yeah, what's going on? Today we're gonna be doing the install. We're gonna be throwing on these TRQ ignition coils, the same ones that the Jeep got. My boy Luis finna be doing it. Say what up though. What up though? You already know. Big SRT. That boy getting ready for a paint job. Christian, where the GXP at, bro? Bring that bitch real quick. What up? What up? That boy stripped. My other brother finna pull up. You're gonna need 10mm bolts for the ignition coils, how I told you on the G video. While we take all the ignition coils out and the spark plugs, we're gonna try to do these lights, cause my job ain't it. What you gotta say about that?
Yeah, bro, that ain't it, bro.
Okay.
We're gonna have to get this right.
He in there with 1,000, see what it do.
Shit, you gotta learn.
I'm probably gonna go ahead and pop the bumper off. It's just 2 10s on each side. Since I lost all the clips right here. I ain't losing, they broke. Alright, so boom, got both the lights all signed up, looking nice. What you got done?
Got all these coil packs off. Getting these spark plugs out right now.
Getting a fresh tune up. Look at my valve covers. Boy, beat as hell.
Straight, we won't get this boy together.
Hopefully it's running how it should in a minute. I'm finna go ahead and clean these up. Get them ready for clear coat. Finna show out my boy Oscar 300. Y'all shit straight pipe, right?
Yeah. This is
at
the middle.
For you don't got pipes? Alright, let's hear it. Dude.
If it's dirty on it.
It's still clean. I'm thinking of putting some flow masters on mine though. Like straight pipe it.
That's
Then
the same thing as you.
what you mean?
The little spot.
Oh yeah, that 300 rust right there.
I just I put some black wrap on it.
Dude. Hell yeah, that bitch not nice. Damn, that bitch loud. That bitch loud.
Inside though. Like
Oh, the drone?
Yeah.
Dude.
So I need to get the pipes to the back.
Dude.
I had the spoiler too, but that bitch broke.
What spoiler?
The SRT spoiler.
Oh, for real? It broke like in half?
Yeah.
Damn.
In the winter.
Dude, I need to take my badges off too. I don't want these holes though, but fuck it. Dude, then I'm gonna take these off too. All this.
Dude.
Dude, this bitch nice though. Alright, we got the headlights off. We just wipe it down with alcohol to get all the oil and shit off of it. Right now we finna hit it with this 2X clear enamel.
Where the keys at? So then you can.
Alright, so we got all the ignition coils on, all the brand new spark plugs. This is finna be the first startup right here. Hopefully it run good. A little issue with that. I think that's normal.
Boy, run smooth.
So that boy running. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the cover back on there in a minute. Come on, my boy Oscar pulling up.
That bitch running.
A little before and after. It's running.
Looks like it.
Damn.
Where is it?
Oh no.
You can tell, but you can't. Yes.
It's fuck. Here's how they looking. They got a little bit of runs in them, but yaki.
This one came out way better.
They're still running right away, you see? Hell yeah. It's because it's plastic. Huh?
I told you to just get that buffing thing, bro.
Dude. Now I know.
Just buffing.
Dude.
That one looks perfect.
Hell yeah. We just gonna let these dry up, then we're gonna throw the car back together and shit. That boy in pieces.
Oh, where they're going?
Alright, so we got the front and back together, and the lights look worse. Look at that. Do not put clear on your headlights. That shit
Actually,
gonna end up terrible.
headlights just don't use that clear, actually.
Whatever, but just get like one of them little McGuire's kit or something. But we got the ignition coils and the spark plugs on there. We finna take it for the test drive. Come on, we out.
We in the cat. This nigga.
No cap.
Dude, I'm in that bitch.
Like, you smoke meth in here?
Everybody in that bitch.
We in this, boy. All these motherfuckers got in this.
Oh, chill, bro. You finna show me on Facebook, nigga.
On YouTube.
Some air in the tire.
Hey, what do you pull?
Oh yeah, I got the thing in the back, the air pump.
Bro, niggas who look at that video and see me holding the car.
Nice.
¿Qué crees? Huh? ¿Qué crees?
Smooth. It's way smooth.
We had to pull over right quick because my tire was losing air. Had to fill that boy up. Finna pile back in though. Man, so we just took it on the test drive and it's still doing the same shit. Right now we finna take the drop by the cleaner because it's black as hell.
They wanted to get some cheap autos on bitches.
Shit, man.
But not coming off.
Goddamn partner.
It literally got all the same problems as the Jeep, but the Jeep straight out.
Damn, bro.
God damn.
Damn partner.
Shit.
Savage.
That bitch done for though, bro. We gonna have to clean this.
No cap. Hopefully it fixes up a little.
We gonna clean this one.
No cap.
We're gonna have better driver response after that.
Dude. The 5.7's hella laggy though. Well, the Hemis, right? No. Your shit not laggy? My shit laggy, bro. My shit pretty.
Why? Because of that.
No cap.
Yeah, check it out.
Damn, that boy.
You wanna hand me a shop top, man?
Yeah, boys. TBSS seats for sale. Nah, I'm just playing.
Those are going into a Silverado.
SRT wheels for sale. Everything for sale. SRT 300 for sale. Just needs a fresh paint job, bumper, HD hood.
The floor mats for sale.
Okay. Crib for sale.
Y'all trying to make me rich?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Say this bitch get a shop. No cap.
Yeah, bro, this bitch was not.
That motherfucker needs some alcohol on it.
It's gold again. Más o menos.
Don't.
You can't put no alcohol on it?
Well, we have some mass airflow cleaner here, man.
Oh,
so
shit.
We need that.
Alcohol.
Shit, in a minute, the 300 for me to be for sale too.
Alright.
Maybe.
That bitch so dirty.
Yeah, that bitch. I need something else to clean this shit. Give me some brake cleaner real quick. That one right there, the Lucas bitch.
That boy on that 16 now. I'm finna go ahead and throw it back together. Take it for another test drive and hopefully this boy is straight.
I don't know about that one, Jack.
No cap.
Nah, hopefully it does, but at least it'll make a little difference.
Finna pray.
Cause it was way too dirty today.
Yeah, why this shit all done? Why this
No way.
shit over here? It's all wet and shit.
That's the shit that's in the throttle body too, bro.
For real?
Yeah. I'm finna
That's probably like a valve cover or something.
Yeah, the gasket?
Yeah, it's the valve cover.
I'm finna get them for sure. And then I'm finna, I don't know, I wanna get fuel rails, but I don't know. And injectors and shit. I don't wanna start buying shit and then none of that shit work.
Too much shit, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Wait, fucking
We finna do the cold start after a few months on my boy SRT8. Took my battery out of my car. She dead now. That boy out of there. So yeah, today was a success slash fail. We got the TRQ ignition coils in with spark plugs. We took out the throttle body and cleaned it. I did some little races with it, and I won. I drove around, and it drove fine, but in the beginning it was like stuttering, still stalling and shit. So I'm not sure. Hopefully it runs good tomorrow. It's running good right now, but I'm still kind of skeptical a little bit. These headlights is also a fail. You already know what happened with them. Well, I'm gonna have to redo this for the third time. But stay tuned for more content. If y'all like the video, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.